In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Genspark AI Desktop for script writing. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to find the official workspace if you're starting from scratch. Once the search results appear, look for the listing called Genspark, described as an all-in-one AI workspace, and open it. The goal here is to make sure you land on the main platform where you can begin building your script writing workflow. After the site loads, head to the main input area and type in or paste your prompt. This is the most important part of the process, because the quality of your result depends heavily on how clearly you guide the AI. A good way to begin is by assigning the tool a specific role so it understands the style and standard you want it to follow. For example, you can instruct it to act like a professional screenwriter and script doctor, and ask it to help format, pace, and write your script using standard industry formatting. When writing that prompt, be as clear and focused as possible. If you already know the type of script you want to create, this is the moment to set that direction. Giving the AI a strong opening instruction helps it generate output that feels more structured, useful, and aligned with your creative goal. Once your prompt is ready and you've reviewed it for clarity, click Submit to start generating. At that point, Genspark will begin processing your instruction and producing a script writing response based on what you entered. That's the full setup process. If you want better results, spend a little extra time refining your initial prompt before submitting, since that first instruction often shapes the entire output. With just a quick search, the right workspace, and a well-written prompt, you can start using Genspark as a helpful desktop tool for script writing.